Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I have my client in my chair today, and my client is my 4-year-old toddler, Zuri. Today's video, I'll be showing you a cute and simple hairstyle for little girls. I'm styling my daughter's hair for her first day of pre-K. And if you are looking for a cute and simple hairstyle as this one, make sure you're staying tuned to the end for this tutorial. Zuri hair is freshly washed, but I do like to use this African Black Control Tangle Free Spray. This product helps with the parting process, which Zuri hates. Zuri hair tends to dry really quickly and tangle fast. So this part I spray all over her head and the parts that I'm going to part. So when I do take the comb, it doesn't pull on her scalp. So this makes the parting process easier because, like I said, she doesn't like this part. So I tend to try to use this spray to help this part go a little bit quicker. So y'all might get on me about this, but I still love to use Blue Magic, this Indian hemp grease, on Zuri's scalp because her scalp tends to dry really quickly, but this actually helps her scalp and it also helps to create straight parts too. So this works for me. It may not work for you, but it works for us. Okay. So the product that I am going to use to lay down Zuri's hair is this olive oil edge gel. And this actually works for us versus a lot of products. You do not have to use the same products that I'm using if you do try to utilize this style. But this works for us, especially with Zuri in school. This works out the best for us. So as you can see, I am starting with this first section and just laying down her edges with this small edge brush, and this just works for us. As you guys can see, for the bottom row, that section, I have created 2 mini ponytails. That's what I call it. And the section that you're seeing that I'm doing now, I'm creating another mini ponytail and just wrapping around the rubber band securely so that part, I know that it's not going to be undone. And so I grab the bottom right piece of hair and I just twist and twist and twist so that I know that that hair will be secure too and not frizz. And then I wrap it around that section of the hair that you seen that I placed into the ponytail at the top left, and I just wrap that around. And then in the end, you'll see that I'm creating a crisscross section in the back of her hair. Sorry y'all, I'm not that great with tutorials, but I hope y'all get a gist of it. So again, as I mentioned, you do not have to use the same products in this video, but this is the reason why I like to use these products on Zuri. It just slicks down her hair, leaving the baby hairs or any frizz or flyaways. It's just all laid. Like, I love using these products because it just lays down her hair, and then when she goes to school, her hair is still intact. Maybe by the end of the week, it may not look the same, but for these couple of days, by the time the weekend come, I can redo it. But for that week, I don't have to do it. I can just get up and go. This is the reason why I like using these products, and it works for her hair. You may like a different products for your daughter's hair if you try to utilize this style, but this works for us. So don't judge. So you've seen in the earlier clips, I did a crisscross section in the back of Zuri's hair. So I'm also going to apply that same type of method in the front of her hair. So those two pieces that you see directly front of her hair, I am going to take this section and twist it and then cross it over to that ponytail. And then I'm going to do the other section and cross it over to the other ponytail to create that same type of crisscross method. So then her hair can kind of make sense all together, and you'll see in the end. You like beads?
Yeah. Please try. I want the red one.
Okay. Thank you for watching.